Hi, Dictate enables you to talk instead of type in Word and Outlook. To get started, make sure you're in the Home tab and find the microphone icon. Now select Dictate and start speaking.
With Northwind support, Contoso Research and Development has produced some of the most innovative electronics products of the last 45 years, period. While the Northwind brand has always...
You can also use Dictate in Outlook. Click Dictate under the Message tab when you are writing a new email or response.
Great work, team! Exclamation point. New line. This was a joint effort by so many people, period. We couldn't have done it without everyone doing their part, period. Thank you, and let's keep it going into Q3. New.
Both in Word and Outlook, you can access the settings at any time to change the language and turn on auto-punctuation. You can also click Help for quick access to voice commands. You can say things like start list or bold last sentence to let your ideas flow without stopping to adjust your text.
Best! Exclamation point. Bold last sentence. New line.
Dictate understands a variety of commands and symbols, so you don't have to sound like a robot. Commands are based on the way you naturally speak so that you can capture ideas easily. We were up against increased competition. For example, it works just as well to say rather than ellipsis audience. ... The Dictate experience is available in Word and Outlook for Windows and Mac, as well as Word for the web and mobile. Use your voice with thank you.